Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to clear your browser data history and cache. And essentially the reason we're doing this tutorial is because Easel is browser-based and relies on memory space to function. If your browser doesn't have enough memory space, you might be seeing issues with how Easel functions. Specifically, things like saving projects might not work correctly, and other things might not be functioning correctly. You might not get certain file import options to show up, things like that. And so when people reach out to our technical support department, typically one of the first things that we ask you to do is clear your browser data history and cache. And I'm just going to walk through that with a couple of browsers. I've got Microsoft Edge, Safari, and Google Chrome. Yeah, we'll just jump right in. So this is Microsoft Edge. To clear the browsing data history and cache, click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. You'll get a drop-down menu. One of the options will be history. If you click on that, you'll get another drop-down menu with a couple of different options. At the top, there's a trash can option. Go ahead and click on that. This would bring up an option to delete browsing data. You can select a time range. For this instance, I would select all time, and then check each of these boxes and click clear now. And then it'll clear. I would recommend restarting your browser at the very least anytime you do this. But more often than not, restart your computer and see if that helps. So we'll go ahead and exit out of that. Now we've got Google Chrome. To do that, you'll go up here and click on History, and then you'll click on these three dots in the top right corner. You'll scroll down on the drop-down menu to where it says History and Over, and click on History, and then you'll be given a screen. This will show your history, and then on the left-hand side, you can click on Delete Browsing Data, and it'll give you a very similar kind of menu to the one on Microsoft Edge. You'll select All Time, and then check these boxes, click on Delete, and then you're all set. And then finally, for Safari, you'll open your window, click on History, or you'll open it at the top kind of left-hand corner. You'll see the Safari menu options. Click on History and Clear History, and it'll give you an option for a time range. Click All History, Clear All History, and then you should be good to go. And again, I would recommend restarting your browser, closing it out completely, and then restarting it, or even better, restarting your entire computer, and then just seeing if that fixes the issue. Typically, again, we see this a lot with like projects not saving, so that would be a great first step. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.